Hi, I'm Ronnie, and if you want to know how to be an affiliate marketer and how to make money off of affiliate marketing, I'm here to show you how, starting right now.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, then go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
Hey guys, thanks for joining in. First off, my name is Ronnie. You're on my channel Dad Starts, where I talk about many ways how you can make money with passive income. And coming from a real person, I'm not a guru yet. You can tell by my channel I may not have that many subscribers at the time of this recording. I'm still living in my apartment. I don't have a big luxurious mansions or have like two to five cars or a Lamborghini. I just started out. I just figured it out. So now while I'm at the beginning stages and as a newbie, I want to show people who are just like me how to do it. So welcome aboard. If you like everything, please make sure you subscribe to my channel by doing so. Hit the subscribe button, the icon bell, and please leave a comment if you have any suggestions in the comments, and I will reply. I can reply because I don't have a lot of subscribers, and I'd be happy to check them out so I can put them on my channel and let people know about it. The first thing I want to tell you guys is it's a road to being an affiliate marketer, and I had to learn the hard way. The good news is I've already done all the mistakes for you. And like I said, I'm literally making money right now. So with that being said, some stuff that I did learn and what worked, I'm gonna tell you some things you have to do before you actually even start becoming an affiliate marketer. And this is gonna be a little harsh, but it's very crucial because affiliate marketing is a business. It's very hard. It is very easy to work, but the details that go into affiliate marketing can become difficult and overwhelming, and I found that out the hard way. But the biggest obstacle I will have to tell you guys is the mindset, and that's what I want to talk about today. If you don't have your mindset ready, you're gonna fail. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. I will be giving a surprise to how you can jumpstart your career. It's what I personally used, and it helped me out a lot, and I'm glad I did it. It definitely paid off. But that's going to be also one of the things that's going to be talking about the mindset. All right, so let's get right into it. By the way, this is going to be a little different presentation. This is my way of contributing to the YouTube platform because there are a lot of people just like me that are doing the same thing and giving you people like you a lot of different knowledge and ways of making income free and investing. So I'm a tech guy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to take it to the table. Once again, please tell me how you like this and comment in the description. I'm going to change things in a moment. Yes. Let's get started and get right into it. Hand scan for the kids. And we're in just a second. Yes, let's do it. Let's get some music. Now, the first thing I want to tell you guys you got to do, you got to read these two books, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Think and Grow Rich. The links will be in the description. First, let's talk about Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I won't say too much about him because it'll be too long. You can Google him. But for the most part, this is a great book to get your mindset the way it needs to be.
helped me a lot. To sum it up in short though, he basically grew up with two dads. One was rich and one was poor, and he talks about the differences between the two. Anyway, he's a multi-millionaire and he's worth the read and helped me a lot, and you're definitely going to need that mindset what he talks about to help you in this business. Now let's move on.
If you're like me, you're probably ready to get started making some money, and I was too. I paid $8,000 for this mentor, and I was expecting him to, at first, at least in the beginning, to get started on teaching me the tools on how to make money, but instead, he gave me this book. I was a little frustrated at first, but how can you argue with somebody who's making millions of dollars? So I did what he said. I'm glad I read the book. It's by Napoleon Hill, and it gives you these principles that he did off of research from millionaires and billionaires in the time that he lived, and the characteristics they have on how to make money. And he breaks it down very well. Reading the book, you're gonna probably think you're looking for some type of step-by-step guide, but really he breaks down your mindset and personalities and traits and things and habits you have to have in order to do this. I'm glad I read the book. It really helped me a lot, and it got me to where I am today. So I highly recommend you read it before you start, or at least read it during while you're working on this. So the last part of the video, I wanted to look you straight in the eye and make sure you understand how serious this is. I told you to stay tuned so I can tell you a real good way to make money and what I'm personally using, or at least how I started out using too. I know a lot of people don't have the money to pay a big time mentor like I did, and I was lucky myself. I won't explain that process, but I also found ways since getting mentored on ways how you can make money, and I'm going to share one of those ways with you. The link will be in the description. But no more are the days where people clock in and clock out. No more are the days of companies paying for commercials and doing ads. Now, they still do those things, but it doesn't always work. Let me tell you why. Because first, not a lot of people watch TV anymore. Not a lot of people are listening to radios anymore. People don't even notice billboards, even signs on the street. All those other ways of advertising their products to people are going away. The new millennials and the new generation X's and the new world, they're online. They're on the internet. And they're much, much smarter. They're always trying to find bargain ways, and they don't shop off what companies are saying or what corporations are saying. They shop off hearsay, word of mouth. And the best way to get people to buy stuff, what companies are learning, is to get with people who have high influence and can tell people about their product based off their following on Instagram or following on Facebook, following off social media as a whole. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to have 1 million followers or 1,000 followers or 100,000 followers to do this business. No. You just have to be smart about it. Did you know there is an actual college for you to learn how to do this, an actual university where they train and teach you how to do these things? Just like what I went through. Matter of fact, you'll be getting almost the same knowledge that I gained from my mentor for a fraction of the price. Now you have to ask yourself, how bad do you want it? No matter what you decide to do, if you're trying to go into this and learn it by yourself, you can and you will learn it, but it's going to take you a whole lot of time. And let me let you understand this. The internet changes every freaking day. Once you learn something, it changes again. That's why it's so hard for people to grow their channels or grow their YouTube or grow their Instagram, because the algorithm is smart and those are the ways people try and cheat and scam. So it's constantly updating and getting smarter to make it harder for you. Even if you're doing well, they want to make it harder for you. That's why they've taken away likes from Instagram. But all that's a whole nother story. The point I'm trying to get you to understand is you can make money right now with your YouTube, your Instagram, or any other thing that you have on social media with a little following that you can grow as you go and still be making money faster than you grow your channel to where you can work work this business to where you can quit your job before you even have a large following. I know because I did it myself. Right now I'm in my closet. We are currently moving from our apartment, and I haven't been doing this business. I've been doing this business for less than 6 months, and we're currently moving from my apartment into a house. And you guys will see that in my next videos as I come up. And it's not to brag. I hate it when the girls were bragging. It kind of puts you in a place where it's almost hard to believe them because they're constantly flashing money in your face, and I get the reasons why they do that, but I want everybody to see the ground zero and see the honesty before, God forbid, money even changes me a little bit. Because it will, not even, I don't think it will in a negative way, but we have to be honest. Money does change your life, but even change your mentality. And I've never been rich, so I can't even speak and be honest on it. The only thing I can say is I know myself, and I'm being transparent. We live in a 3-bedroom house. I have 5 kids, and I got tired of working and making somebody else rich. I got tired of being away from my family, and this is what I decided to do. If you don't believe it, you don't have to believe it. You can continue to do what you're doing and continue to get the same results. Or you can take a chance and a leap of faith like I did because you're sick or tired and you want something different and you want something more, and go for it. I left the link in the description, and watch the video, make your own decision. Matter of fact, it's tax time. What are you gonna do with your tax? Buy some rims, buy a car, get unnecessary payments, or use it and invest in yourself and your family and your future. This is Dad Starks, and I'm signing out. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you at the top. I see you on your own videos. Please comment and let me know what you decided to do. And if you have any questions, please hit me up. Please subscribe. I don't have a large following. I can get back to you. Love you guys. God bless you.